Hi guys. Are you afraid of spiders? Hi there. Welcome to the craft table. Today we are doing a fun and easy kids craft. Rock bugs. So let's get to work. First thing you're going to need some rocks. You can pick these up at the Dollar Tree in a nice little bag. Next, you're going to need some googly eyes. You can also find these at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need small ones to fit your little rocks. Next, you're going to need some pipe cleaners. These I actually found at the Dollar Tree. And then of course you're going to need some paint to paint your rocks, and some paint brushes to help you paint your rocks. But you can use markers, gel pens, crayons, whatever you want. Next, you're going to need glue. Your favorite kind. I am going to use hot glue. And then a pair of scissors. That's it. That's all you're going to need. Step 1. Let's paint the rocks. If you want white, paint them white. If you want black, keep them black. Paint them all different colors. Let your kids go wild. Now that your bugs are all painted and dry, it's time to add some googly eyes. So grab your glue. Aren't those adorable? But we aren't done yet. In step 3, we're going to need our pipe cleaners. And we're going to be adding some legs and antennae. You'll enjoy. And there you have it. Now this spider I'm not too afraid of. He won't stay in my hand. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope your kids really like it. And I hope you sparked that little bit of imagination, gave you a little inspiration. And I really, really hope to see you soon. Really. Bye-bye now.